are. We are at another new day. We are at, what is this called?
St Earth.
St Earth. Park and Ride. We was going to go into St Ives. We've already driven into St Ives, but we got there too early, and motorhomes ain't allowed within the confines of St Ives or the car park before 8 o'clock. So we've come back out. We've come to the train station, the Park and Ride. We thought we'd park here, have some breakfast, which I have. I have my frosted shreddies. And then we're going to move on once we're ready. The time moves on a little bit. Then we'll see about getting the train into St Ives. Well, here we are, sitting at the train station in St Earth. As we said a minute ago, obviously, Dukey's all locked up, come over. It actually ended up cheaper for the tickets because online, if you check the ticket of the prices online, it was £12 something or other. But if you come actually, instead of getting the ticket out on the machines, do yourself a favour, come into the station and actually get your ticket inside the station, because they do group tickets and other different kinds of deals. So we got what they call a day ranger, which is so we can get to St Ives and return, and that costs £10.50. What?
£10.50.
£10.50. So we got that, £2 cheaper. And the car park was £3. So in total, to get to St Ives, cost us £13.50. So, and that's not bad when you think about it.
Ticket lasts until 4 o'clock tomorrow morning, doesn't it? At the car park.
Yeah.
So
we could stay there. We could, if we wanted to, we could come back to St Ives. We could stay in the camp, we could stay in Dukey until 3 o'clock in the morning, get some sleep, get some couple of hours sleep, and then leave before the ticket runs out. But I don't know if we're going to do that. I don't think we're going to do that. But the possibility is there.
We need to find a site, I think.
Just literally waiting for the train.
We've got 2 stops.
Literally just waiting for the train to come in. I will get a video or a picture when I see it. What Louise has just turned around and said to me, she reminded me to let you guys know, if you are coming into St Ives and you've got a motorhome, camper, anything like that. I'm not sure about campers. What about like van?
No, I don't think any of them are allowed.
No. Well, I'm not going to say definitely, but what we do know for definite, motorhomes you can't even take into St Ives. They don't allow them in there. There's no parking in car parks. There's no parking on the roads in St Ives. So just bear that in mind. This may be your best idea, is to stop at the train here or somewhere outside St Ives, and then get the bus in or a train in. Either
this or what was it, Trenwith car park?
Trenwith, yeah.
But motorhomes are not allowed before 8 a.m.
Yeah, I already said that. So we was a bit early for that one.
Yeah.
Plus, they didn't really have, I noticed, in that Trenwith one, they didn't actually have motorhome bays. No. So I'd be careful there as well. They've got coach bays, but I don't know.
They'll probably make you pay for 2 bays.
Yeah, they might make you pay for 2 bays. Here comes Here comes the train, do 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 do. Here comes the train. So that's what we're going to be getting on today. The GWR, Great Western Railway. All the way into St Ives. So we'll see when we get on board. So now we're on the train. We can show you a little bit. It's a really clean train, to be fair. It's really nice. And this is unusual. I don't know what trains are like, obviously down our end of the country, but over this end they've got actual 3 pin plug sockets with USBs, and it's not just one. There's one there, and there's also one down there.
Welcome aboard
Over there, and one on that side. And they're all the way along. They're everywhere. I've got a toilet right there.
Which we're fighting for trying to find plug sockets at the moment.
Well, I think we found out why they don't allow, or why they don't like motorhomes in St Ives, purely for this reason alone.
And the streets, this
Look, this is the size of the pavement. It's manic. You see why all the cars are flashed up, can't you?
a little gallery here. They're really good.
So, and if the boat was off the tower, it looks great sometimes. It happens, and it's just one of those things.
Wow, that's huge.
You can't have this right on the phone. Yeah, the health and safety man is trying to get around you one day. Stop, 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 stop.
Evidently. Oh, it actually.
Look guys, look at that school cake. There's nothing better than that. That's school cake and a view. Look at that.
Dad, we see that seagull creeping up. I just got a bit wet. Oh my god.
Well done. Oh. Now you're getting them. Now you're getting them, they've all come back up. That's it, boo. I don't think she done too bad.
No, I wasn't getting them to stop. Then like,
Tickets ain't working, are they?
that was racing.
She's not getting no tickets.
Bird,
But not bad.
not bad at all.
Look how pretty this place is. St Ives Harbour, absolutely beautiful. All the houses over there. The kids trying to keep upright.
It's when they're all standing like that. Like living in Scotland, they all walk uphill like that. So this is the famous Trink dairy, and this is, I had never seen it before, but this is such a clever idea. Look at this. You've got a machine here, so you pay for your money and you can get milkshakes made with 100% fresh cow's milk. And you can either buy it by the cup, or you can buy it by the small bottle for £3. Oh, a large bottle's £3 as well. That's a 1 litre. Oh, so half a litre is £3, and a litre is £3. So I know what one I'm going for. So when we do it, obviously I'll show you how it works once one of the kids is going to do theirs. Which one are you? Anyone going to go first? If you want a cup, you just grab your cup.
Or you can buy a bottle.
Or you can buy a bottle. Bottles are £3, cups are £2. Make that choice, boo boo.
Why not?
Want a cup?
Hold on.
All right, we'll wait. She's got to do some finances first.
You
So,
can buy bottle cans.
Yeah.
right. Haven't you got?
You've got to buy, that's £3 for that and £2 for that.
Yeah, I didn't notice. Same price.
So how'd you get it? Oh. It's supposed to look a little novelty, isn't it?
I'm gonna get a bottle.
You're gonna get a bottle.
All right, so it brings it down.
No, I can't.
Okay, grab your.
That's quite big.
That's
I want that one.
a litre.
Yeah, number 11 and below.
Okay, so then what you do is so put your bottle in
No,
there.
you have to scan them.
Oh, sorry.
So you push what you want. So you want milkshake or flavour. Shoot your bottle. Then pay. Oh, it's £3.
Yeah.
Did you
No, you've got to pay. You've got to pay for it.
Hang on, have you got to put the?
No, it tells you when to do it.
Oh, okay. All right, so you pay.
Depends on a little bit of technical difficulty.
Yeah, so we're having technical difficulties here. There we go. So that's that bit. You have paid.
Right.
Right, so.
Yeah.
Oh, and enjoy within 4 days. Yeah. Press here to fill.
That's really cool.
I want to say something, but it's going to be really hard.
Don't. I have a camera on.
That's really strawberry.
Wow. No, you can't argue with that.
Please remove bottle.
That's it. And there you go. Look at that. 1 litre of strawberry milkshake. And out the back there, if you look carefully, I don't know whereabouts it is, but if you look out there, they've actually got a pink cow. Oh, and it cleans it every time. Yeah. Right, so there you go. There is 1 bottle, 1 litre of fresh. You can't get no fresher than that.
It's Arla.
Cow's milk. It's Arla milk from the dairy. Obviously, you can tell you at the dairy there's all the where the cows come in to be milked, and go through. So yeah.
So this is St Ives train station. It's a single line track with a dead end. And the trains are every half an hour, 3 minutes past the hour and 33 minutes past the hour. So not too bad, they're quite regular trains. So St Ives is beautiful, but it's so busy. So we have left St Ives, got back to the motorhome, and we decided to try and go to, where was it? It was Zenor. But we went down there and oh my god, it's so narrow and so tight. There was nowhere to park anyway, was there?
Nope.
It was just like
Only just about.
Yeah, you only
enough space to turn around.
Yeah, we only just about had enough space, so it's okay for. I'd say it's okay for campers and that, wouldn't you?
Anything little
Like transit,
cars,
sprinter
yeah.
size, but anything like this, no, it's no good. So
don't even attempt it.
we're gonna head. I think the next stop is Pendine, but at the moment we haven't even got a signal. We're so high up in the mountains.
Which is really silly. Look how high up.
I'll show you the
we are.
views. We're this high up. We have no signal at all. It's absolutely beautiful, isn't it?
It is gorgeous. This is definitely the place if you wanted to lose somebody.
It is.
I bet there's quite a lot of people that haven't done it before, been lost.
Yeah.
Out here, like doing walking.
Yeah, I was about to say, I wonder how many people have actually come out here and got lost.
Yeah.
Like they've
That's
been
more than possible.
walking and that. Because it all looks the same, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We are now heading back down towards St Earth again. We need to get some more diesel. We've been here 2 days and this is the second time we're filling up.
Well, what do you expect? This hill that we're
But
going
this
down
hill
now,
we're going down is pretty steep.
I had to come up it in first gear.
First gear.
That's first gear. That's
Wow.
how steep it was. Even second
Wouldn't do
it
it.
struggled. Alright, no, this is...
Yeah, without further ado, let's get some scenery. Well, we've got to Pending, the third stop in the book, and I don't know. It doesn't look like there's much here, to be fair, and it doesn't look like we're going to be very lucky with parking either.
I don't know what.
But we're gonna. I think we're gonna move on to Porthcurno now, aren't we?
Yeah, or something. Whatever's next.
Yeah, the next stop in the book is Porthcurno, so we're gonna move on.